Hi guys! So, tingnan nyo yung bag ko. Wait lang. Ito guys, oh. Wait lang. Ayan guys. Diba? Nakita nyo naman, nakita nyo naman yung ano nitong backpack ko. As in, guys, naka-suitcase din pala to, naka-suitcase. Check ko lang ang aking score.
You should first go ahead and thank him. Because the way I see it, pretty sure I just helped you save face in front of your family. How's Oxford?
Okay lang naman yung mga score. Ilagay na natin siya sa bag ko.
That's why I came here immediately. I canceled the meeting.
And guys, i-prepare na natin yung mga kailangan namin sa school. Yung mga yung mga face mask, mga ganun.
That's all. That's
Mga,
all. Christmas be waiting. Well, we promised to have dinner with them.
wait lang guys. Ito guys, meron ako dito notepad. So, ilalagay natin siya dito. Ilalagay ko natin. Grab, taas ka na lang. Kapilod, sabay-sabay. Grab. Tito Bang, pwede ba ito sa school namin?
I don't think telling the truth is the best option. At least in this case. Or you can accept my help. And keep your pride at least.
Wait lang guys, kakabit ko lang.
Let's see. Your friends need to be taken down a peg or two. What's the
Wait
best
lang
way to
guys
do
ah.
that? So tonight, since you're all Harry's dear friends, dinner will be on me.
Para igaganto na lang siya.
Baby. Don't look at these, look at me.
Thank
My
you.
love for you and this credit card have something in common, can you guess? Simple, they both have no limit.
Ito guys,
The world is yours.
Star Scout ID ko. Wait lang guys ah. Asa may face mask? Ito guys, yung jacket ko kay Papi Mabutos.